So we are cracking today's challenge, jumbo text. I'm not gonna pronounce that word, Jblemud. Nah. Given a string, return the jumbled version of that string where each word is transformed onto the following constraints. The first and last letters of the word remain in place. All letters between the first and last letter are sorted alphabetically. The input strings will contain no punctuation and will be entirely lowercase. I think that makes sense. So I've seen the test samples and I kind of have a quick idea of how it should be. So let's give it a try. Let's try to design or write the pseudocode for how this is gonna work. So we just want to start with our start and our end. Yep. Now we're gonna input the text. So input text. Now we want to make sure that the first and last letters of the words remain in place. I'm guessing that should be for each word. So yeah. So I think for each word, the first and last letters should always remain in place. So we might want to split the letters, so the sentence, into actual words, and then, I'm just gonna go back to my good old reliable array. So let's split. So let's just say transform text string into array, and split the array by, should I say space? Yeah, by space. So the reason for that, so we know the difference between where the sentence has words in them, because in a sentence the words will be shown by the space between them, if that makes sense. So that's fine. And then we want the first and last letters of the word to remain in place. What we could do though is we can then take each one and then split those into separate arrays as well. That's gonna be a bit annoying, but yeah, let's just try it. So I'm gonna split each word into their respective arrays, and for each word we want to have the first and last letters of the word remain in place. So we want to randomize everything in the middle. Oh no, we're not. So we want to sort them alphabetically. So, and sort all letters in the middle of their respective arrays alphabetically. I just say that there. And then we want to turn the arrays back into words and turn the words back into sentences. So join the array together back into a string, and then join the strings together. So that's into a string. Let's put a word in brackets and join the strings words back together. So that seems fine. The input strings will contain no punctuation and be entirely lowercase. So yeah, that's fine. So we don't need to watch out for any punctuations or any uppercase letters, so that should be fine. And then we want to return, so output the sentence. So output the transform sentence. Okay, so that's what we're doing. So input text, transform text string into array and split the array by space. Split each word into the respective arrays. Sort all letters in the middle of the respective arrays alphabetically. Join the array together back into a string, which is a word. Join the strings, that's the words, back together into a sentence, and output the transform sentence. So that's what we plan to do. Now let's actually get into the code of it. We're gonna have a timer for this one, so 5-minute timer. We have to solve this problem under 5 minutes. And our time starts in 3, 2, 1. Let's ride. So we want to split text up, so const send array for sentence array equals text dot split. No space there. Split into words. Return send array. Const test equals to send array. No. Oh my days, you're wasting time. Put that there. No, put it there. Console log test. Yeah, that's good. That's working. Then const split send array equals to send array dot map dot password. Got that there. And word dot split return split send array. Yeah, that works. Then we want to do more of this. So let's take that down there. So word dot split 4 minutes. Damn. Okay, word dot split and const removed. I want to splice this. Let's change this to const split equals this. Split a dot splice. Slice 1, split dot length -1. Let's see this works. Return removed. Yeah, that works. We want to sort removed dot sort. Jesus Christ, time is racing. Okay. Removed dot unshift. Split 0. Removed dot push. Split dot length -1. Okay, got that back. I want to return. Yeah. That's fine. Oh my days. Hold on. Okay. I think we just need to join that together now, right? Yeah. Right? Yeah. So return remove dot join. Yeah. That's working. How much time we have left? Jesus Christ. 1 minute 30 seconds. I think we could beat the timing now. What's happened to your bro? Yeah, return split dot join. Oh nah. What? Wait. Space. Yeah. Oh no. What happened here? What is this test? Go on, minimize. Press on. What? Bro, what are you doing? Get this out. Love jumper text. I think it's because I added this to the front. If Jesus Christ. If split oh no, my brain's gone blank. If split the length is equals to or is greater than 1. Oh nah. We're almost there. What did I get wrong? I think if I move this in there. Oh man! Oh no. It was just to move that in there. Okay. That's annoyed me. That has annoyed me. It was just this because since we added this on shift, if it's one letter, it's gonna add the letter back to the front, which you didn't want. That's annoyed me. That has annoyed me. Fair enough though. We actually got it. It was just to move that back in there. It was just time just went away. Fair enough. Let's see. Is there an easy way to write this that will make this much more cleaner? So this is 14 lines of code currently. Let's ask GTP. This can't remove. I don't even think we need. Oh, that's inside the map. Oh yeah, we definitely need that. Let's see what happens if we do this. No, that's not gonna work. Wait. Yeah, have the feeling that wasn't gonna work. Wait. I think if we put this dot sorts here, we would have been blessed. We don't need this. Yup, we would have been blessed. So that's that line gone. So that works. Anyway, to make this even shorter. This has really annoyed me. It was just moving it inside that was making it take so much time. I think because I was stuck, my mind went blank. But still. Fair enough though. These 30 lines of code. Let's ask ChatGPT if there's an easier way or more efficient way to write this code. Because there probably is. Not now. What does this code do? Is there a more efficient way to write this code? Yeah, I have a feeling this was all necessary. So text.split.map word if word length less than equals to return fares, cons first comma dot middle and last equals word. Bruv, are you joking me? Okay, yeah, I think I understand what that means. So we're destructuring the word. Cons last equals, yeah, the pop, that makes sense. Cons middle, this, yes, this is what I was looking for. I couldn't for the life of me figure out how to get this back. That's why I had to use it on shift and pop and push. Fair enough, man. I guess I couldn't hack it. I gave my best though. So yeah, that was the jumbo text challenge. We got that solved, so we'll go on to the next one, and I'll see you at the next challenge. Thanks for watching.